I think that was off the pad. There's a big appeal there, but Peterson's not interested, and neither's Daryl Hare. Pakistanis look pretty angry there. Inzamam ul Haq, not exactly showing dissent, but close to it. Nipping back from Shahid Nazir, just nipping back. Did it get the edge? It did. It got a big, thick inside edge onto pad and through to the keeper. So Peterson's escaped.
Oh, I think that could be out. Not sure. No, they're all up. It certainly hit something. It was a cracker of a deliverer that came back. Oh, it's crossed. Inzamam is crossed. They really think that he's out. Not sure whether that hit the bat. Oh, I think it did. Oh, that looked out. The clear inside edge.